Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong May 2024. So, for singles and in a relationship. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang mga reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, so unahin natin yung mga Aquarius na in a relationship. Aquarius na in a relationship ngayong May. Okay, Temperance. Patience. You need more patience with your person. Six of Cups. I think, nagsisimula kayong muli ng person na to. Pwedeng binigyan mo siya ng chance. Medyo may mga disappointments ka sa kanya, pero may anak kayo or you really love this person, so binigyan mo ng chance. You may be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I think, meron kayong, mga, kumbaga mas magiging seryoso yung inyong relationship ngayong May. You may be spending more time together. Especially kung focus nyo na ay ang inyong future, no? Para sa mga nagpaplano pa lang na magsama together. Maaring you will start a new business together. I think you will spend more time together rin sa travel. Madalas siguro kayong lalabas, no? Ngayong month na to ng May. I think you want to save this relationship, kaya hinayaan mo na magstay. Third house. Perception, communication. So yes, napaka-importante nung pag-uusap sa relationship. Kasi pag hindi kayo nag-uusap, paano na kayo mag-share ng thoughts, ng mga naiisip nyo, nararamdaman nyo sa isa't isa. With the Virgo energy here, I think you are healing from this situation, no, yung nangyari sa inyo in the past. And with the Saturn here, I think part ng part ng relationship nyo yung challenges na yan. Yung iba naghiwalay pa, no, pero naayos yung relationship. So I think ngayon mas inaalagaan nyo na yung relationship ninyo, unlike before. So, possible yung iba sa inyo, you spend more time with your romantic partner. Being of service to someone. So, maaring ngayon, mas caring ka na. You have learned your lesson. Maari kasing, nung nagkahiwalay kayo, na-realize mo yung importance, no? Yung halaga ng person mo, sa'yo, sa buhay mo. And you think na, kumbaga naisip mo na, meron palang malaking nawala sa akin. So, ngayon, you are starting all over again. I think ikaw mismo yung nag-reach out sa person mo after realizing na you really have to work things out in your relationship. So, meron ditong stalking. Someone is digging about you. I think, nung magkahiwalay kayo, inaalam nyo pa rin kung ano yung nangyayari sa bawat isa. Sa pamamagitan ng internet, pagsustalk ng mga social media, through friends, pinagtatanong nyo, mayroon kayong common friends, inaalam nyo, what's going on? Ano nangyayari kay Aquarius? Ano nangyayari sa person ni Aquarius? Ganon. Ayan, unrequited. Siguro isa sa reason rin kaya nagka-problema kayo is yung oras at panahon nyo, hindi masyadong nag-e-effort yung isa sa relationship. Pwede rin nagkaroon kayo ng problems financially. So, ngayon, you are working things out. Inaalam nyo kung ano yung kahinaan ng relationship. Kasi, meron naman talagang gano'n na merong mas nag-e-effort sa relationship. Kasi mas importante sa kanya yung connection. Yung iba naman, nare-realize na lang yun kapag nagka-problema na. So, for some of you, maaring, magkaroon kayo ng challenges. But, regardless, kung magka-challenge kayo, kaya nyo naman siyang i-handle. I think you will just, gagawa kayo ng paraan para maayos. Oo. And through the help of your friends, I think mas mag-e-evolve pa yung relationship ninyo. Kailangan lang meron kayong ayusin sa finances ninyo. Kung isa yan sa napag-aawayan ninyo, syempre, partnership yan. Kailangan effortan nyo pareho yung finances nyo para hindi na yan maging problema in the future. Okay? So, that is your reading for Aquarius in a relationship. Now, doon naman tayo sa mga single. Tignan natin, mga single na Aquarius. Ano ang parating? So, pag mga single, ibig sabihin, pwedeng meron kayong kausap, ka-connect, ka-chat, ka-text, ka-video call, or connecting with someone, pero wala kayong commitment. Let's see. Mga single na Aquarius. Moving on. Nakos. So, yung iba, pwedeng nakipag-break lang kayo recently, or kung hindi man recently, hindi pa talaga kayo totally nakaka-move on from your past. Kasi andun pa yung energy ng person mo eh. Andun pa yung feelings. You still love this person from the past. Oo. Ito yung tipong pinapakita mo na okay ka, maaring you are posting sa social media mo that things are doing well for you, happy and single, pero deep within you, you are hurting. And you still have feelings for this person. And I think ngayon, ang gagawin mo is, you will make yourself busy. Mas lalo mong gagawing busy ang sarili mo. Tipong magpo-focus ka sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo, para ma-divert yung attention mo. And I think, yan yung makakatulong rin para to completely move on and move forward, no? Ayan, no? Iba sa inyo, ini-involve nyo yung sarili nyo sa mga libangan, hobbies, ganyan. Let's say, may mga bago kang interest ngayon na like painting, baking, cooking, singing, playing musical instruments, name it, no? Kahit ano pa yan. So, hindi din i-distract mo yung sarili mo para ma-divert yung attention mo. You also have Scorpio energy. So, transformation. You are transforming yourself. Itong naging past relationship mo, I think, masyadong big deal sa'yo to eh, no? Feeling mo siya na, no? Siguro nangarap ka na together with this person para sa future, and then boom, hindi pala siya kasama na sa future mo. So ngayon, you are focusing on transforming yourself to a better version of yourself. With the Sun card here, this is going to bring so much clarity in your life, no? Mas magiging klaro sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mo sa relasyon, kung ano yung ayaw mo. And I think you are going to be more confident sa sarili mo moving forward in meeting new people. So, some of you, pwede rin meron ng nagkakaroon ng interest sa inyo, but I think you're becoming more honest sa person na to, na tinatapat mo na, okay, hindi pa ako nakaka-move on sa past, I'm not yet ready, give me more time. Nako. Baka bibigyan mo ng chance itong person na to, na may interest din sa'yo. But I think kung hindi ka ready, wag mong ipilit. Kasi, baka hanapin mo sa kanya yung expectations mo dun sa person from the past. or magkaroon ka ng comparison. You have to make sure na completely naka-move on ka na doon sa past. I think you are being supported by your family. Mm-mm. And eventually, no, you will find someone who will love you. Just manifest whoever this person is. And darating naman yan, no, in time. So, dapat bigyan mo ng chance ang love sa buhay mo ngayong May, just in case may dumating, 'di ba? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye!